you can see that I will go and I will revise this topic. So इंटरव्यू में जो क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं वहाँ पे 3 से 4 कैटेगरीज में आप बांट सकते हो. जो भी इंटरव्यू होंगे वो पहला क्वेश्चन आपसे पूछते हैं कि आपका डिसर्टेशन क्या है, व्हाट इज़ योर डिसर्टेशन, एंड सेकंड क्वेश्चन, so rest of the question they will ask from the dissertation, how and when, why, such kind of question they ask. Then second question they will ask, if you have a gap, then definitely they will ask why you have this gap and what were you doing. Third thing they will ask, what research interest do you have, or not, if not research interest, then they will ask what in which topic you are comfortable. So they, if you'll say any topic, definitely from panel any one of them will ask questions from your background. And then last thing, if you, some of the people like departments asking the research proposal, if you wrote the research proposal, you have to defend your research proposal. But everywhere in interview they don't ask for the research proposal, but they can hypothesize, like there is a one protein which is synthesized by the X gene, suppose. Then how you can find that protein is synthesized by the X gene, or that protein is integral protein of two different genes. Okay, so that is such kind of hypothesis they can ask and you have to answer. I will bring another video in which we can explain in detail. And most of the interview which I given, and in some interview which I didn't qualify, and in some interviews which I qualified. So the basic two fundamental differences I found in myself. First thing, that honesty. Wherever you will have a honesty, you will become confident and you don't have fear of lose. If you have a fear of loss, let you lose that uh, position or opportunity, then you cannot qualify. But if you don't have that fear, then you can answer freely, and and then you can the chances of qualifying is high. Now, in the along with the honesty, you should not be have so everything to tell to faculties. You have to say specific thing which is relevant to that position for interview for the faculty, and remaining you should have very like strong command in your foundation things, or about your dissertation and all things. Rest of the things shows like how much you are confident. That is very important. In some interviews I was not very much confident. I was like fear that if I will lose this thing or not. In the last, this is, and in the this IIT BHU and NCCS Pune and RGCB and IIC or CCMB, which I qualified. So I found that I was not nervous. I was not have fear of losing anything, but I was having that whatever I will have, I will tell. If you don't know the answer, you can say, sir, I forget. I do. Sorry, I cannot recall now this answer, but I already read this. I will go and revise this topic and I will look into this. That's it. You have to say this thing. You should not have to say I forgot, or you should not say I don't know. That gives the bad impression. Okay, you have to show like you are eager to read and you are eager to learn. So thanks for watching. We'll meet in another video. This is me, Pankaj, and stay tuned with us for the IIT JAM CAT B or GATE CSIR JRF and CUT UG or PG or NEET kind of preparation. So please circulate these videos to whoever needed it, or whom you can guide to your juniors or your friends. Thanks. We'll meet in another video. Jai Hind.